Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to export from Mint data into Excel for tax planning. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to export to Mint data into Excel for tax planning, you need to simply visit the mint.com website. So once you simply go and tap open your mint.com, you need to get logged in into your account or signed up. After this, you need to locate the export link. Simply scroll to the bottom right of the page where you will find a small text link that says export all transactions. So download the CSV file by clicking on the download link. After this, you need to save the file to your computer and open the CSV file. Now use the text import wizard to simply choose comma as a delimiter and ensure my data has headers is checked. So after this, you need to format your data and then analyze your data. Use Excel's pivot table and conditional formatting to slice the data in any way you need for tax planning. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.